Hey adventurers, Neil here from Globetrotter Getaways, where we explore the most thrilling corners of the planet. Today, we're diving into the ultimate adrenaline rush, unforgettable extreme sports destinations that will push you to your limits. Strap in, it's going to be a wild ride. When you think of Dubai, you think of groundbreaking architecture and luxury. But today, we're looking at the city from a different perspective, from 13,000 feet above the ground. Welcome to skydiving in Dubai. Before you can take the leap, there's a bit of prep involved. After signing up, you're briefed on safety and taught the basics of tandem jumping. Meeting your instructor is reassuring. These are professionals who've done this thousands of times. The ascent is a mix of nerves and excitement. As the ground falls away, your instructor goes over the jump protocol once more. Below, Dubai's landmarks become toy-sized. The Palm Jumeirah, a marvel of human ingenuity, looks like a miniature model. And then, the moment of truth. The door opens, and the rush of air signals it's time. Jumping out, the world falls away in silence before the wind roars in your ears. Free falling above Dubai is surreal. The city's layout unfolds like a map beneath you. The adrenaline is unmatched, a cocktail of fear, excitement, and absolute freedom. When the parachute deploys, tranquility replaces the adrenaline. It's a serene drift down with a bird's eye view of the Arabian Gulf on one side and the desert on the other. Your instructor might let you steer the parachute, adding to the thrill of your descent. Landing is gentle, a soft touchdown back to reality. The euphoria of what you've just experienced is hard to describe. It's more than a tick off the bucket list. It's a transformational moment of overcoming fears and embracing the extreme. Skydiving in Dubai is more than an extreme sport. It's a new perspective on life. The world from above is serene, beautiful, and quiet. It's a reminder of our place in the universe, small yet capable of incredible feats. If you're seeking an adrenaline rush that comes with a side of life reflection, skydiving here is an absolute must. From preparing to take that leap of faith to floating above one of the world's most magnificent cities, skydiving in Dubai is an adventure that touches your soul. If you're ready to soar, Dubai's sky is waiting for you. This is Neil from Globetrotter Getaways, reminding you to live life to the fullest. Stay tuned for our next thrilling destination. New Zealand is not just the land of Middle Earth, but also the birthplace of bungee jumping. Today, we're at the Nevis Bungy, the most legendary jump in the country, where we'll dive into the heart of thrill-seeking. Bungee jumping in New Zealand is steeped in history, originating from the land diving rituals of Vanuatu. Modern bungee was popularized here by A.J. Hackett in the 1980s, turning it into the extreme sport we know today. The Nevis Bungy, with its 134-meter drop, is a testament to that adventurous spirit. The journey to the jump starts with a heart-racing ride to the Nevis Valley. As you gear up, the staff brief you on safety, ensuring you're both physically and mentally prepared. The anticipation builds with every step towards the platform. Standing on the edge, you're at the brink of confronting your fears. The view is breathtaking, the silence deafening. It's a moment of pure introspection, a battle between the urge to step back and the desire to leap. Then you jump. The free fall is a rush of wind, adrenaline, and pure freedom. As you plummet towards the river below, time seems to stand still. The cord stretches and the rebound sends you soaring back towards the sky, heart racing, alive with exhilaration. The euphoria of the jump lingers long after. Back on solid ground, the mix of relief and triumph is overwhelming. It's a shared bond between jumpers, a moment of triumph over fear, celebrated with cheers and perhaps a few tears of joy. Jumping from the Nevis Bungy isn't just about the thrill. It's a journey through fear, trust, and exhilaration. It's about challenging yourself and emerging on the other side transformed. If you're seeking to push your limits, this is where you start. New Zealand's Nevis Bungy offers more than just an adrenaline rush. It's a rite of passage in the world of extreme sports. From the historical roots of bungee to the personal battles won on that platform, it's an experience that stays with you forever. This is Neil from Globetrotter Getaways, reminding you to leap into life's adventures. Stay tuned for our next destination where we chase the thrill. Welcome to the legendary North Shore of Oahu, Hawaii, a place where the ocean commands respect and surfing transcends sport to become a way of life. Here, the waves don't just break. They tell stories, challenge spirits, and forge legends. In Hawaii, surfing is more than a pursuit of adrenaline. It's deeply woven into the cultural fabric. The respect for the ocean, the aloha spirit, and the camaraderie among surfers here is palpable. Before you even touch the water, you're immersed in a tradition that dates back centuries, reminding us that we're not conquering the waves. We're being allowed to dance with them. Surfing here isn't just about bravado, it's about preparation and respect for nature. The locals live by the rhythm of the sea, and as a visitor, you quickly learn to do the same. Watching seasoned surfers prepare, you understand that each wave is a unique challenge, demanding focus, respect, and an intimate knowledge of the ocean. Paddling out, you feel the power of the Pacific beneath you. The waves at spots like Waimea Bay and Pipeline are monumental, not just in size but in the sheer force they command. Catching one of these waves, you're riding more than water. You're moving with a force of nature that's both exhilarating and humbling. It's a physical and emotional journey, where time seems to stand still at the crest, offering a moment of pure, unadulterated connection with the natural world. The community here teaches you that surfing is reciprocal. It's about giving back to the ocean and the community that nurtures this sport. From local legends who've ridden the giants for decades to newcomers feeling the spray for the first time, there's a shared understanding that we're all guests of the sea. Surfing the North Shore's towering waves is an experience that stays with you. It's not just about the adrenaline. It's about understanding and respecting the power of nature, connecting with a community that welcomes you with open arms and embracing the profound lessons that only the ocean can teach. The North Shore isn't just a destination, it's a pilgrimage for any surfer seeking to understand the heart of this sport. Here, every wave tells a story and every ride is a step closer to understanding the soul of Hawaii. This is Neil from Globetrotter Getaways, inviting you to find your wave, embrace the aloha spirit, and discover what it truly means to surf in Hawaii. Until our next adventure, keep chasing the horizon. Now we shift gears from the ocean surf to the mountains turf. Welcome to the Swiss Alps, a paradise for mountain bikers seeking the ultimate blend of challenge and beauty. Here, every trail offers a new adventure, a test of skill, and an unforgettable journey through nature's masterpiece. The Swiss Alps cater to every level of mountain biker. For beginners, there are serene valley rides, where the only challenge is keeping your eyes on the trail instead of the stunning vistas. For the adrenaline junkies, there's the thrill of high-altitude trails and technical descents that demand precision and nerve. Each trail has its own character, its own story to tell. Preparation is key in the Alps. It's not just about having the right gear. It's about understanding the mountain. Weather can change in an instant, and knowing your route is crucial. Local guides and trail centers are invaluable resources, offering insights that ensure not just a thrilling ride, but a safe one. Riding in the Alps is an immersive experience. As you pedal through ancient forests, across alpine meadows, and down steep inclines, you're not just a visitor. You're part of the landscape. The physical challenge is matched by the sensory overload, the scent of pine, the sound of rushing streams, and the sight of peaks touching the sky. The Alps are not just about solitary rides, they're about community. Mountain biking here brings you into a fold of like-minded souls. The mountain huts and villages dotting the landscape offer spaces to rest, refuel, and exchange tales of the trails. It's a culture built on respect, for the mountains, for the sport, and for each other. Mountain biking in the Swiss Alps is as much a journey within as it is a physical journey across these ancient landscapes. It challenges you, changes you, and rewards you with experiences that words barely capture. It's about pushing your limits and then finding peace in the vast silence of the mountains. The Swiss Alps offer an adventure that beckons the spirit and tests the body. Whether you're weaving through a forest trail or conquering a mountain pass, you're part of a story much greater than yourself. Embarking on extreme adventures brings unparalleled excitement, but it also demands our utmost respect for safety and preparation. Let's take a moment to talk about how you can ensure your thrilling experiences are also safe ones. Every adventure starts long before you hit the ground or catch that wave. It begins with thorough research and planning. Understand the challenges and risks of your chosen activity. Know the best season, the gear you'll need, and what physical condition you should be in. No matter your level of experience, there's always something new to learn. Seeking professional guidance is not just wise, it's essential. Work with certified instructors or guides who know the area and the sport. Their knowledge can be the difference between an unforgettable experience and a regrettable one. Never compromise on safety gear. Whether it's a helmet for biking, a life jacket for surfing, or a parachute for skydiving, ensure your gear is in top condition. This is one area where cutting corners can have dire consequences. Nature is an unpredictable force. Always check the weather and environmental conditions before setting out. Changes in weather can dramatically alter the safety of an activity. Being prepared means being adaptable to whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Lastly, know your limits. Pushing your boundaries is at the heart of adventure sports, but it's important to listen to your body and mind. There's no shame in stepping back if it means you can safely adventure another day. Safety isn't just a set of guidelines, it's a mindset. By preparing adequately, respecting the environment, and understanding our own limits, we ensure that our adventures leave us with exhilarating memories rather than preventable injuries. Remember, the best adventures are the ones we return from, ready to dive into the next one. Which of these destinations are you adding to your adrenaline bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. If you're thirsty for more adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join the Globetrotter Getaways family. Until next time, keep pushing your limits and exploring the world. This is Neil signing off. Happy adventures!